Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set screensaver on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set screensaver on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings and then click on Personalization. In left pane, click on Lock Screen. Now scroll down. Here you will find the last option, Screensaver Settings. Click on Screensaver Settings. In Screensaver Settings, by default, none is selected. Click on the drop-down menu here to change, and then you can select any one from here. I am selecting 3D text, and you can change the wait time from here. By default, one is selected, or you can select on resume display logon screen. I am not selecting this option. Now click on settings to change the screensaver settings, and here you can change the custom text. I am changing the text to my name, Mahmud, and you can change the font from here. Click on choose font, and I'm changing the font, and you can make it bold or italic. Click on OK. If you want, you can change motion rotation type. I'm selecting spine, and you can also select surface style. I'm selecting texture, and you can also set custom texture by clicking here and click on choose texture. I'm not selecting custom texture. Now you can select resolution. By default, medium is selected. You can make it high, or you can make low, and this is the size. By default, large is selected. You can minimize the size, and the rotation speed. So medium is selected. I'm selecting little higher. Now click on OK. You can watch preview. Click on preview. This is the preview, and press escape. Now click on apply, and then click OK. This is the easiest way to set screensaver on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.